Hi guys, got a couple of pieces of mail in the mail for the last year, or for the last few days of 2018. The first one here is from Darren Charron. He's got a YouTube channel which is called Darren Charron. Sorry, I had to make sure. He's a guy in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Just looking off screen here. He owns and operates a photo studio slash framing store. It's called Monart St. Vital in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Link will be in the description to his channel and to his Photoshop slash framing store. Through him, I received this gift. I received this from Steve Robb, and I showcased this a while back. It's a laser. Sorry, the green screen is not helping here. There it is. It's a laser edged cube with my logo in there. Very cool. Steve Robb surprised me with that, but it was Darren who made that. So thank you, Darren, once again. So yeah, let me just open up this card. I must apologize to Darren. I have not been watching his YouTube channel, and it's one of those things. I'm strictly automotive, or I should say strictly. I know it's not an excuse, or it's not intended as an excuse here, Darren. It's just that my focus mainly is automotive. Darren's channel. He's a do-it-yourself handyman, basically. He's an avid hunter as well. So on his channel, you'll see do-it-yourself home renovation stuff. You'll see stuff about his business, and also again hunting stuff. So definitely check his channel out. So I got the card open. Nice Christmas card in here. Sorry, I'm at that age. I need glasses. May the promise, the hope, the peace of his love fill your heart at Christmas and always. Merry Christmas from Darren and Megan. If I read it right, sorry. There you go. Thank you very much. Much appreciated. And one of his business cards in here. It doesn't come across too well on the camera, so what I might do is just take a picture and then insert the footage there. Thank you, Darren, Megan. All the best to the both of you for the new year. Keep at it in terms of the channel. I see the growth has been going on house-wise and channel subscriber-wise. Second package here is from my buddy Igor in England, in the UK. His YouTube channel, sorry, I'm just looking for cutters. His YouTube channel is Cars Exposed. He's one of those rising YouTube stars coming out of England. Almost 90% of the stuff that he repairs in the automotive, or that he gets his hands on in the automotive stuff that he works on, he actually fixes without needing new parts. What I mean is, he'll take a broken component apart, he'll dissect it, he'll fix, at minimum clean the internal guts, put it all back together, and there you go. You know, guys like me, we take stuff apart, we replace the part. Nice quick turnaround time. But when you have a guy like him who takes the due diligence of taking stuff apart, things apart, diagnosing, checking to see what exactly failed, rectifying in terms of fixing, and putting it back together, that's top notch. Very top notch. So I've got an envelope here. I've got some chocolates. You can never have too many chocolates. And he sent me some stickers. Awesome. I'm going to be putting those on my toolbox. So there's Cars Exposed. I got 2 of those stickers. And some nifty Car Exposed letter stickers. Very, very cool. Check out his channel. He's got some awesome videos, and his filming style added with the music, his editing, etc. Quite interesting, quite upbeat. You know, for those of you guys who've been following me for the last, I don't know, it's going on 6 years now. You've noticed that I really haven't changed my format in a long time. Aside from less noise. In the beginning, I'm so embarrassed now looking at over my old videos, all the noise that I added made videos unbearable to watch. And so yeah, he puts a nice spin, upbeat kind of stuff to his videos. So the card here, it's Christmas. Let's get totally basted. A bunch of turkeys talking to each other. And then open it up. It says Merry Christmas, Thomas and family. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year, Igor and family. Thank you very much, buddy. Follow him on Instagram as well. I'll put the link to his Instagram in the description. I'm not sure if Darren or Megan have Instagram. If they do, if I find it, I'll put that in the description as well. Thanks everybody, in terms of you guys and everybody else. It's been an awesome 2018 year. I made it into the 40,000 subscriber bracket. And as always, it's a nice slow growth for me. I don't want to grow exponentially too quickly or blow up, and it'll never happen, and I'm fine with that. Like I said, otherwise my recording format and editing format would have changed by then, you know, to go with the times. Adding yellow lettering or text overlay in my thumbnails like everybody else. And anyways, all the best for the new year to you guys and everyone else. Thanks for sticking with me. Take care, and we'll see you in the new year.